Hello and welcome to MoneyWatch. This is Kundu, and in this video I will be teaching you how you can make money as a freelance writer. Now, if you are wondering that I am not a good writer, then how I can make money, I will show you a cool trick by which you can make money by simply going to some websites. Okay, and by the way, this is not a way through which you will be copying other people's content and pasting it somewhere. It is a legit cool way through which you can get a unique content. Okay, so the first step is simply go to a website called uh, textbroker.com. Okay, this is the website. I'm sorry. Simply click on sign up now for free. This is a website where you will be providing your just go to as an author, write to earn money writing content. Just click on this. You will be providing your content to the clients who will pay you money. Okay, so this website is only accepting United States citizen. So this video is only for United States people. So in the upcoming video I will be showing you another website where you can make money from any country in the world. Okay, so simply fill up this form. Okay, and enter your email password. Okay, and click on sign up button. And once you are signed up, what you will do now, you need to have your CV updated. I mean profile should be updated. Okay, to do that, what we will do here is, suppose you make a content related to uh, it related to some golf tips. Okay, just go there. You will see lots and lots of articles related to golf tips. You will see shortly. So let the website be loaded. It is taking a little time. Just wait a bit. And by the way guys, if you are not a good writer, then also you can make this work and make money by writing content. So don't worry about that. Okay, so these are some of the golf tips. Just click on this. First, there are many web pages. You can click any of that. Just click on whichever you like. I'm just giving you some examples. You can write article in any topic. It's up to you. So we will wait till the website is getting loaded. So I will try to reload this one again. Okay, let's go to some other one because this one is not loading up. Okay, just click this one and see what kind of content they have. Okay, and by the way guys, this is not a copying. You are not copying. You will copy this content, but what you will do is very cool, which will make this content unique. Okay, and you can make money by doing this. Again the website is not loading. Just wait. There is some internet connection issues, I guess. uh, Let me change the internet connection. The web page is not loading up. Just wait a bit and let us see if it gets loaded. No, it is not loading up. Let's try this one. Okay, let's see whether it is loaded or not. Guys, it's taking too much time. Bear with me. Okay guys, this is not loading up again. So what you will do is you will grab text from some websites like for example golf tips. You can pick any topic if you want, related to finance, money, relationship, and make money online, any kind of topic. And what you will do is simply grab the text and go to a website called uh, pintext. Again the website is not loading up, guys. We will see once more if it gets loaded. It is pinbot. Okay, it is not loading up again, guys. Oh, it's not loading up again. We will try once more and let us see if it gets loaded. No, it's not loading up. Sorry guys, this website is not loading up. So what I will do is I will simply explain in my words. So you will go to spinbot.com, and this is a website where you can paste any paragraph, and what it will do is it will simply uh, it will simply for example, let us uh, get this text. Okay, how to speed up increase the speed of a slow Mac system. So we will copy this link, I mean copy this text. Okay, copy it to the end, and what we will do, copy it, and we will go to spinbot.com, and there you will paste your copied text. And what it will do is it will rewrite the text in a different way so that it will be unique. And you can go to, after you just copy the rewritten text, and simply go to textbroker.com, and uh, go there and paste your I mean just upload your document over there. And this is how it's done, guys. And once your profile is up to date, then you will get many orders, and you will simply repeat the same steps which I provided you, and in this way you will make money. Okay, this is a very cool way. In the upcoming videos I will be showing you step by step how it's done, because in this video the internet connection is not working, so I didn't able to show you how it's done. So in the upcoming video I will be showing you how you can make this work. Okay, so if you have got some value from this video, then kindly hit the like button and share this video to your friends. And if you are new to this channel, then kindly hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification, so that you will come to know about any future videos which I release about making money online. So that's it, guys, for in this videos. And if, by the way, if you have any questions related to this video, then kindly comment in the comment section, and I will be happy to help you out. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.